Hi, good morning to all.
Good morning.
First, I am disappointed because of girls' presence here. I am expected them to be here equally. Out of 50 members, there are some of. Firstly, I thank you, All Impact team, for conducting this program, especially free of cost. Especially to be free of cost. And thank you them for sacrificing their valuable time to us. And my first step of learning English is motivational speeches. First speech is by Malala Yousafzai. She is in 2015 Nobel Prize by winner and Kailash Satyarthi also. I am impressed and realized that if we want to express our inner feelings to the world, we should be compulsorily improve our communication skills more and more to express our inner feelings to the world. Thank you.
Good morning to all.
Good morning.
I am very happy to after motivational anyhow anything, but regularly we have to motivate from others. But I have to feel motivate for myself. Then only I will improve myself. Actually, myself I am M. Kiran Kumar from Gajwel, from Siddipet district. I came here to improve my English skills, which I am working my field. So I am working as assistant project manager in District Rural Development Agency. So I am very thankful to the Impact, and I thank to Gampa sir is giving very good opportunities to everyone. So I came here to catch that opportunity to improve my skills. And first of all, I am very thankful to our honorable madam Sunita Rai. Yesterday previously also I watched some videos in YouTube, very wonderful, but without communication skills means here we came here and we listen, but we are not practicing. So I want to some friends from Impact. Are you ready to be friend with me? Yes. Yes, sir. Yes. Please, you raise your hands. Not some gaps are there. There are some gap. Once again, can you raise your hands to make friendship with me? I want to friend. And anyone is gap, sir? Yeah. Okay. But you have to give one promise to me from now. Are you ready? Yes. Yes, ready. Promise is a very powerful. Once we give, we can't lose it until our death. Listen, ready? So my request from our 9th to 12th batch, including tomorrow, we keep promise from tomorrow. Tomorrow means by 12 o'clock. Please kindly extend for 10 minutes, coming for few people. So I want to express actually in Ramakrishna Math I learned many basic and senior classes also, but my poor English means I am not practicing in my field also. That is, I did not get the opportunity here. For the 4 days I got a good opportunity to share with you and to watch the videos also. So I am very thankful one and all. And my request to, without practicing, without communication, we can't improve. For the last 10 years till now the condition is same. That means I have improved myself, but we are not getting the communicate others. We are not getting the time. So whenever we start practice, we can improve. Definitely we can. Actually I joined the Telegram group also. I want to become best motivator. I want to become good speaker. The art of speaking I want to learn. I came here to improve my skills. Without speaking we can't improve. That is the one thing only. Sir, care we kill the word I, then we born with we. So I request all to share your words within 1 minute or 30 seconds or what 2 minutes. Please come on to your dais. Please share with one and all. Then only we will feel happy and we will give from our side to sir. They have motivating our different types of ways. Sir also motivating how we miss the opportunities to unemployed youth also. They have to fight very, very, if you deliver the word, whatever it may be, please come to the dais means we have to ready. If you call one person, 10 people is ready to come on to the dais. So my request all to come and speak your few words. Thank you.
Good morning, madam. Good morning, all of you.
Good morning.
I would like to introduce myself. My name is Parmeshwar. My native place, Mahabubnagar district. I completed my graduation BCom Computer in 2013. Thank you for conducting this opportunity. Thank you, sir, Impact Team. Thank you, Impact Team. Last 2 days section is very useful. English grammar is tenses and preposition conjunction who have learned how to improve. Madam told me today's section I learned new things and many people help to you, madam. Last 2016 I attended Impact program. Gampanashwar sir said, so what? అదే ఇక్కడ రావడానికి సో వాట్ ఫియర్ ఇక్కడ స్టేజ్ పై అంటే ఫియర్ అందరికి కూడా అంటే అందరూ వింటారు మేడం అంటే కొంచెం ఇంగ్లీష్ రాదు పర్ఫెక్ట్ ఇక్కడ రావడానికి భయపడతారు మేడం ప్రతి ఒక్కరు కూడా ఇక్కడ రావాలంటే భయపడతారు అందుకే ఇప్పుడు స్టేజ్ మీదకి రావడానికి భయపడతారు అంటే నిరుద్యోగం అన్ఎంప్లాయ్మెంట్ ఎక్కువ అవుతుంది మేడం అందుకే ఇక్కడ రావడానికి దిస్ ఈజ్ రీజన్స్. థ్యాంక్ యూ మేడం దిస్ ఆపర్చునిటీ. ఓకే థ్యాంక్ యూ.
బట్లర్ ఇంగ్లీష్ అంటాం కదండి అది యాక్చువల్గా బట్లర్ ఇంగ్లీష్ ఇస్ లైక్ బ్రోకెన్ ఇంగ్లీష్ వాట్ వి సే యాక్చువల్గా బట్లర్ ఇంగ్లీష్ కనిపెట్టినోడు కూడా మన తెలుగువాడే మీకు తెలిసే ఉండాలి. ఓకే సో గాడిద గుడ్డు తెలుసు కదా మీకు గాడిద గుడ్డు చూసారా కాదు గాడిద గుడ్డు అని ఉంటుంది యాక్చువల్గా గాడిద గుడ్డు అనేది తెలుగు పదం ఎస్ ఆర్ నో అని అనుకుంటాం కానీ గాడిద గుడ్డు ఈజ్ అన్ ఇంగ్లీష్ వర్డ్ గాడ్ ద గుడ్. సో గాడ్ ద గుడ్ అనే ఒక ఇంగ్లీష్ పదాన్ని గాడిద గుడ్డు చేసాం. సో యూనో బ్రిటిషర్స్ యూస్ టు సే గాడ్ ద గుడ్ కాంకర్ ద పీస్ అని. సో మనం గాడిద గుడ్ని కాంకర్ ద పీస్ని కంకర్ పీస్ చేసాం. Okay, so don't worry about your English. And Butler English is something like, when we were given independence, Lord Mountbatten was in the Falaknama Palace, which is now called as Taj Falaknama. All right, so they were served beautiful dishes, and because that was the last day for them in India, so Lady Mountbatten was given idli with ghee and a groundnut chutney. ఈమెకి పల్లి చట్నీ బాగా నచ్చింది, పిచ్చిగా నచ్చింది. So she wanted to know the recipe of the groundnut chutney. So she called the butler. Butler అంటే ఇప్పుడు అర్థమైంది కదా, బట్లర్ని పిలిచింది. How did you make this groundnut chutney అని. So butler generally he speaks in Telugu. There would be a translator. He translates and tells it to the man. So that day, because of his excitement, he said, I will talk directly to the lady. Everyone was in the happy mood. Everyone said, yes, go ahead. He started talking. Madam, one bowl. Actually, we have to say bowl, but we say bowl. One bowl. ఎవరక్కడ బౌల్ వచ్చింది. నా మేడం గ్రౌండ్ నట్స్ 1000 అన్నాడు. సరే ఏరుకుని వచ్చారు. మన మేడం గ్రీన్ చిల్లీస్ 1000. అరే అంత కారంగా లేదు కదా మేడం. ఓకే. నా మేడం టామరిన్ 1000 అన్నాడు. దిస్ వీ కెన్ కౌంట్. How can we count tamarind, madam? Okay, somehow they got. Now, madam, oil 1000 anadu. Now he lost it completely. Now this lady was very furious. how can we count oil in thousands? No madam, okay. No madam, put all in the bowl and mix అన్నాడు. ఏమైందంటే గ్రౌండ్ చట్నీ రెడీ మేడం అన్నాడు. షీ వాస్ టేకింగ్ ద రివాల్వర్ అండ్ షీ సెడ్, యూ వాట్ డిడ్ యూ సే? నో ద ట్రాన్స్లేటర్ ఇంటరప్టెడ్ అండ్ సెడ్, అరే ఏం చెప్పారు అంటే, అని నేను చేసింది చెప్పా అన్నాడు. ఏం చేసా చెప్పు అంటే, గిన్నె తీసుకురమ్మన్నా. అది అర్థమైంది. దాని తర్వాత పల్లీలు 1000, గ్రౌండ్ నట్స్ 1000, మిరపకాయలు 1000, చింతపండు 1000, నూనె 1000, అన్ని వేసిన తర్వాత ఏం చేయాలి? తిప్పాలి కదా. మిక్స్ ఇది వేయడు. సో start communicating first, whether it's right or wrong. So that's what I did in my engineering first year. The first word which I have known, vocabulary ఎవరో అన్నారు కదా, the first word which I have learned was chaos. CHAOS. CHAOS అని స్పెల్లింగ్ కూడా తెలియదు నాకు. ఎక్కడో chaos అని ఎవరో యాంకర్ చెప్తే విన్నా. వెళ్ళి చూసా, గూగుల్ టైప్ చేశా chaos అని, KAYOS, chaos. గూగుల్ ఏమంటుంది? గూగుల్ ఇస్ ద బెస్ట్ ప్లేస్ కదా. గూగుల్ ఏమంటే, డిడ్ యూ మీన్? ఐ క్లిక్డ్ ఆన్ దట్. స్పెల్లింగ్ వచ్చింది CHAOS, చాస్. స్పీకర్ బటన్ ఉంటుంది ఒకటి. ఐ క్లిక్డ్ ఆన్ ద స్పీకర్ బటన్, ఇట్ సెడ్ chaos. chaos అంటే గందరగోళం అని. వెళ్ళా నెక్స్ట్ డే కాలేజ్కి. హే బడీ, డిడ్ యూ సీ దర్ ఇస్ అ లాట్ ఆఫ్ chaos ఇన్ ద క్యాంటీన్ అన్నా. ఆడికి అర్థం కాలే. అర్థం అవుతుంది వాడికి. I understood. Then I went to the other person and said, the atmosphere in the college is very chaotic. Am I right? Anna. ఆడికి అర్థం కాలే, నాకు అర్థమైందిగా. దట్ ఐ వాజ్ వెరీ హ్యాపీ. ఐ వాజ్ కాన్ఫిడెంట్ దట్ ఐ స్పోక్ 2 different sentences with the same word. సో yesterday you are eating సాంబార్ రైస్. ఎంత బాగుంది అని వింటున్నాం కానీ no one said సాంబార్ is really nice, it was tasting good, though it is too hot you are able to eat it comfortably అని కూడా అనలే. తింటాను టుక్కు. Okay, so start conversing, whether it is right or wrong, start doing it. Okay,
I think we had a very interesting session today. Did you enjoy? Those who spoke enjoyed, those who listened also enjoyed. But those who didn't speak missed an opportunity. Like both our organizers have said, the way they spoke, the ideas they gave are wonderful. And they also told you that how difficult it was for them to learn, but they conquered that difficulty and now they are famous all over the world. Please remember that these videos which these teachers are doing is being seen all over the world. How many of them are not from India, you can't even imagine. Every country in the world is seeing them and they are benefiting from it. So like he said, motivation, like you said, that by learning, by improving, the first speaker, how nicely he came first and spoke. These things are wonderful. When we are together, we can learn all this. Because you can also speak to yourself at home. That is possible. You must think in English. You must dream in English. Then your English will improve. And the more mistakes we make, throughout I've been telling you, day one I said, failures are the stepping stones to success. So today you made mistakes, which is one sheet of paper I wrote down. Tomorrow you make some more mistakes. The more mistakes you make, that is the first step to learning. The second step is you identify your mistake. You make mistake today, you can't identify. You say, I made mistake, or you don't even know you made a mistake. Second is, can you identify? One person was speaking here, he said myself, then immediately changed and made the correct sentence. Another sentence gave wrong verb form, immediately corrected. So I felt happy that yes, I told them pronouns, I told them verbs. Now they are consciously making changes. It doesn't happen in a day. See, this is only 4 days course. It doesn't happen in 4 days. So what I would suggest you do is that you build it up. Like somebody said that he started reading and he's reading so much. That is a wonderful thing. By self-improvement, by putting these rules, it might take 5 years. By the time you really absorb all rules which you learned in 4 days, it takes 4 years to practice. But don't be discouraged. Don't be disheartened. Go on listening. Like somebody says, you know, they made into MP3 and they are listening instead of listening to songs. That is what is called motivation. So what you have said here today will motivate lakhs of people. Because I have not seen my videos yet. I will see after my retirement. Till now I haven't seen how many videos are there, who is watching. But people tell me when I go to Ramakrishna Math, you know, I'm initiated, I'm very close to Ramakrishna Math. I go all over the world speaking in Ramakrishna Math centers. Not only in India but abroad also. So they tell me, madam, you know today 10 lakhs crossed. Then after 1 month they say, you know madam, 11 lakhs it has become. So I don't know. Now he's saying 20 lakhs. I didn't know. This is new information. So what is my interest in those lakhs? No interest, because I can't speak to them. Today when you are speaking, you are saying what you learned, how you learned, not only in these 4 days, but throughout your life. Like he spoke about vocabulary, like he gave some, you know, important ideas. So if you share your learning experience, people all over the world will see today. You know, we had 10-15 speakers. Now you are going to be seen in YouTube. People who want to learn English like you are wanting to learn, they will get motivated by you. If you make mistakes, they will also feel that yes, if we make mistakes, no problem. You know, in Ramakrishna Math we made a CD. See, everybody says that Vivekananda is a great leader. Nobody says Vivekananda's English is great. Nobody, you know, we had 150-year celebrations. I must have given 100 lectures during 150 years of Swami Vivekananda. But no discussion about, this is not necessary to record if it's not good. No discussion about Vivekananda's English. Vivekananda, great leader, great spiritualist, great patriot, great saint. Nothing about his English. Vivekananda's English is excellent. Nobody spoke. So in Ramakrishna Math, Hyderabad, we made a CD, you know, communication skills CD. Then I wanted to take 4 students whose English is very good. Then Swamiji says, don't take people whose English is very good. Take people whose English is not good. So that I'm there, 4 average students are there, and it is, I think, 75 minutes DVD. You can also, you know, buy it. I think it's some 50 rupees or something. I keep giving these suggestions on YouTube. And like you said, you know, I'm answering your mails and giving you some conversation. That is about 30-40 pages, I think. Different conversations. So whatever I have ready with me, I'm sharing with all of you. But I can only share. I can hold your hand. I can say, please learn, please learn. But can I speak English for you? I can't speak. If I speak, I improve. If you speak, you improve. Can I write for you? I can write for myself. You want to read my articles, you can read. So many articles on soft skills are there in Academia EDU. All those you can read. But I don't. I'm writing. You can't write unless you practice. So my idea is that starting from 12th, that is tomorrow, your practice has to be very intense. You have to organize yourself, how to plan, how to organize. These are all soft skills. You understand? So these are very important today. For soft skills, learning, doing, you know, UGC gave me 8.5 lakhs to do a project on soft skills. Because everybody is interested in soft skills. I went to IIT, I spoke. The director said, tell our students all about this. Yesterday evening, you know, morning calls were coming. I didn't take because my phone is silent. I went in the evening, Accenture called up. They said, can you give a lecture on 7th on soft skills and leadership? I said, sorry, I'm not free. 7th, we have another program in the university. So till I'm busy with my work in the university, I can't go. In a month, I might be refusing at least 50 invitations. if not more. I have no time, that is the problem. But soon I hope I will have a lot of time. Then I can spend more and more time with genuine learners. But I always feel that if you have a teacher, the teacher is a barrier to your learning. Like he said, he learned chaos on his own. No teacher is needed for that. What is needed is self-learning. That is most important. The moment I come and interfere in your learning, I am doing a disservice to you. That is my belief. After teaching for 40 years, I believe. The teacher only helps. So I have given you some ideas. They are like seeds. Now I gave lots of seeds. If you throw it on the road, no seed will germinate. If you throw it in your garden and give water to it every day, you have to spend so much energy, not money. Fees is time, energy, effort, hard work. You come here and you speak, you're feeling scared. That is the fees you're paying, isn't it? To feel scared means you are using up your adrenaline. It is a juice in the body. So we are paying fees. Everybody is paying something. We are not paying cash. Cash is not the only thing we pay. In life, money doesn't get you anything. Yesterday I was telling Karthik that, I went to a huge engineering college and I told them, no, I don't charge anything. He was shocked. He said, madam, don't tell that word. Where they can afford it, you must take money. I always say, I don't want money. I don't need money. I have a good job in the university. I have a huge government job. I don't need. But then, as he says, he's also right. Those who can afford should pay. If you can afford to give a smile, you give a smile. If you can afford to give more than a smile, you do that. Some seva. If you can do something else, you give that. Those who cannot afford money, how can we ask them for money? We have poor students. That is important. So all of us need to do what we think will benefit others. In your group also, some people speak better than the others. So you help the others. Some people are conscious of making mistakes, you help the others. Some are not getting that. Some are very confident who spoke today. Give your confidence to the others. Like that, all of us can help each other. All of us can teach each other. But the best person who can teach, like our LIC friend said, practice, practice, practice. He practiced Hindi all his life. So he is able to speak very good Hindi. If you give me a chance, I will speak my own language. Why will I speak English? But I am speaking to you in English because you called me here to speak English. My mother tongue is Bangla, Bengali. If I speak to you in Bengali, you won't understand. If I speak to you in Telugu or Hindi, I can speak both the languages. You will say, why have you come? Please go. We don't want your Telugu, which is not very good. We don't want your Hindi, which is slightly better. We want only from you one thing, and that is English. So I'm forced to speak to you in English. I have to tell you everything in English. But my idea is that without my telling, without anybody explaining, all the lessons of grammar which I have explained to you, you have made mistakes coming here. That is fine. So you are making these mistakes, now you are also making the mistakes. If you become conscious of your mistakes after tomorrow, then you have learned something. Tomorrow they wanted to have a valedictory function, did they tell you? So 11:30, maybe for half an hour we will have valedictory function. Like he suggested, very good suggestion. They will fix the names of people, I won't. Call 10 people to speak for 30 seconds about what they learned from the course. Not Sudhir sir, not Karthik sir, not Sumita Roy madam. No, what did I learn from this 4 days? That feedback we want. Only in 2 or 3 sentences or 5 sentences. So that more people come, then we will know, oh, that one has learned so much, what did I learn? That one has learned so much, what did I learn? We keep comparing. That is how team learning comes. That is how peer learning comes. P-E-E-R. Peer means in our own group, not teacher. Teacher learning is high-low. That is not correct. Peer is equal learning. So I want all of you to do that. Learn from everyone. Person who speaks better English than you can learn from that person. Because they will speak a better, higher English. A person who speaks less English than you also is your teacher. We had the story of Avadhuta. You know, Avadhuta saw some kite, he learned a lesson. He saw one fish, he learned a lesson. Do you know? It is our mythology, our own, philosophy. So everything is our teacher. If somebody's English is worse than you, that person also is your teacher. Because by looking at that person's mistakes, you say, oh, don't fight or do anything. Say, that is a mistake, I must correct. Like that, conscious always, improving always thinking. The mind is a beautiful instrument. You don't know how powerful this, head-top computer which God gave. Not laptop, not desktop, not palm-top, head-top computer. Hundreds and thousands and millions of GB, empty space. No limit, not 4 GB, 10 GB, 100 GB. How many GB? Nobody knows. But what are they doing with it? We don't even know how to use it. So the computer is lying waste. Now you create some files for English. One folder English, some files for English, and start filling that. Keep filling those folders and files. You will find that nobody other than you can do it. And you are your best teacher. Not an external teacher, but internal teacher. Internal teacher is self-improvement. Internal teacher is self-assessment. Internal teacher is also motivation. I want to learn. How much am I learning? Can I become better than this? These are all the things which you have to do for yourself. So if all of you who said we are making mistakes, we are not fluent, go on speaking in English to yourself. If a thought comes in Telugu or Hindi, immediately put that thought into English, starting from now. The thoughts come in our mother tongue. Immediately start putting. You will find after a month, thoughts are coming in English. And somebody said they had a dream. Now I want to find out which language was that dream. That also you have to tell. Because sometimes dreams have a language. You will find when you are constantly thinking in English that you will start dreaming also in English. This is what our English teachers used to tell us. Say you will know you are learning good English when you find that your dreams also people are speaking in English. Which means our thoughts. Our dreams are nothing other than our thoughts. So we have to change our thinking. Now naturally we think in our mother tongue. That is natural. After being in this field of English teaching, I still prefer to think in my mother tongue. But the only thing I don't do is think in my mother tongue, translate into English and then speak. That is what most of you do. Why you hesitate is because there is thinking in one language, translating. Now I am able to think in my mother tongue, in the language I speak. That is only because of practice. So all of you, please practice. Don't worry about mistakes. Both the sirs have been telling you every day, don't worry about mistakes. If you make mistakes, thank God I'm making mistake. Today I made a mistake, God praise you. Because to make mistakes is a valuable lesson. No lesson can be better than that.